Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just another Sneha, and in today's video I am going to show you guys how to make a mint face pack for clean, clear and glowing skin. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
So for making the face pack, first I'll take about 2 tablespoons of mint leaves paste, and then I'll add a tablespoon of gram flour. Lastly, I'll add a tablespoon of honey and mix it well. Mint is an abundant source of menthol and has strong antibacterial properties. It is often used in cleansers, astringents, toners and moisturizers. Mint brightens your complexion, treats acne, hydrates your skin, tones your skin, gets rid of blackheads, rejuvenates your skin, slows aging, lightens and removes acne scars. The zinc in gram flour has been shown to fight infections. It also helps control excess sebum production and soothes inflamed skin. Honey is packed with natural antioxidants and antimicrobial properties which help protect, repair and prevent skin damage. Don't forget to do a patch test before applying the mask on your face to see how the ingredients are reacting with your skin. Let the face pack stay on your skin for 10 minutes and then wash it off. For best results, you can use this once or twice a week.
That's all for today guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so that every time I post a new video, you will get notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.